Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Thenjiwe.
And I am Long John.
And you are the GNT Gang. Thank you so much guys for tuning in.
Yes.
And I know a lot of you have been so worried. All those DMs I was getting and all those messages and comments that we were getting. We just want to let you guys that we are
back together. Come closer, sweetheart.
Oh guys, I just want to tell you that I am so happy to be back together with my other half.
Yes, it's so good. You have no idea. A man needs a woman like this.
I know it's not every day that you meet your soulmate.
Exactly.
And even though we went through some problems, like nobody goes through a relationship without having some problems.
Exactly. Every relationship is up and downs.
Yes. And I just want to tell you guys that we are so happy to be back together, and we thank you so much for your support, so much for your encouragement to have us back together, and all those of you who are concerned.
Yes.
Wipe away.
Don't worry about that. No, just forget. Erase it. Remove it from your memories. It didn't happen.
Control, copy, and delete.
Delete.
We are back together, and I must tell you guys, when you find the person you love, make sure you show them, you tell them, and you treat them right, just like we treat each other. And it was the longest 2 days of my life without
I was missing it. You have no idea. I was thinking about it every time, everywhere I go. That's why I always see her face everywhere, even on TV.
I didn't even eat for the 2 days,
that's because you didn't have food. Yes.
I just want to tell you guys that we are so happy. God has been so good to us, and I'm just so happy to be blessed with someone who loves me more than how I love him.
Yeah.
And
it's amazing. You have no idea how much I don't even have the words to describe this love we have. This love is so amazing. Okay.
And I'm sure you guys will understand that as lovers who recently got back together, we have things to make up for with my Long John. So guys, we're going to end this video here, and we're going to see you next week with a brand new video. Don't forget to subscribe
to our channel. It's our channel.
To our channel.
and our camera.
Yes, everything. Like we share everything.
Everything
like
now we share.
We almost even went to Home Affairs and shared our names.
Imagine.
So guys, please don't forget to subscribe and share this video and share the love.
Yes.
May God bless you with the lovers of your hearts. Oh, so good to have a soulmate. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe.
Yes. So when am I taking off that apron? Yes, the madam is not around.